Good afternoon. I'm receiving now a quadcopter Fimi X8 Mini, the new quadcopter from Xiaomi. Okay, the owner thought that the gimbal is crazy. Look, it's wrong. The calibration is wrong to the right side. Well, I will talk about this situation in this video because it's a problem not only in this quadcopter but in other models that have the three axes. The first one, the second one, and the third one. This damage is in the third one. The stabilization is bad. It's too bad. Look, the gimbal is not perfect for flight. When I move to the left side, there's a long way, but for the right side, there's nothing. Look again. And now to the other side. The third is the major, and I need to repair. I need to let this quadcopter safe. When you have conditions to calibrate the gimbal, and after the calibrate, the perfect calibrate in a surface, on a surface, and the problem continue, you need to repair. Any times one of the 30 connections of the axis are poor. And I will see now if there's something here for talk about the situation because quadcopter is not good. And I will show to you that many times all the connections are good. And after the upgrade, your quadcopter starts this problem. When you need to upgrade the system, you need to be careful. The Wi-Fi signal needs to be wonderful, without stopping, without no one conditions for stop the process and then start again. You need to, it's protected. Look, the connection is protected. It seems that it's perfect. I need to see what is happening here to make this problem. I need to see if it's safe, dry, but I think that I need to repair the third motor here because the connection are good. The connection of this X is good. Well, let's go. Well, here we have two problems. The first is the owner, when tried to do the upgrade, left the time over. Was using a Wi-Fi signal. Too bad. And the second problem is a physical problem here because when the owner tried to land this quadcopter, are landing with a so strong force. Drone's move needs to be so soft, very soft. So when you turn up, soft, turn over, soft, turn around, soft, and no, because you will automate your quadcopter. But I think that this quadcopter will be. I'm not kidding you. That's really. There are a lot of persons who make your flies in this situation? Well, here I will make a good wash in this flat cable because the owner is flying in a poor place with any trash. When you fly in a place too bad for to fly, you let some pieces in contact with your system. Drones are closed, but there are small parts for any particles arrive into the drone and make the same place of your system the house. It's too bad if you have some metal pieces in your quadcopter. You will damage. Well, let's go because I think that this quadcopter will be good in a few moments. After repair the quadcopter for get again the move of this gimbal, I need to repair other part. You are looking that when I turn on the gimbal is closed to the right side. Okay, I need to make this gimbal close to the horizon. It's a easy thing to do, but I left this part for the last job because I need to repair first the the movement. This thing is the last thing I need to do here. Sample. Let me see. Wow, perfect. Now it's perfect. Wonderful. Look, I will show to you, but first I will left the thing here to close this flat cable and avoid that the flat cable left the gimbal with some difficulty to do the move. It's a simple thing I need to do here. But my counsel is this: when you land your quadcopter, don't make so strong movements. You need to learn fly with soft movements in your hands because the quadcopter is not so strong. I need any more glue here. But the quadcopter is not so strong. Good. Wonderful. And finally, if you are not skilled for fly, my counsel is for buy a so simple quadcopter, and only when you have some skill, try to pilot a quadcopter bed. Then the last one. Let me see now what happens here. Perfect. Now this quadcopter is really perfect. Oh, I need to await the calibration system. Oh, I mean, well, now it's wonderful. Okay, let's go again.